Takeo Taiki was born on 25th February 1894 in Japan. From a young age, Taiki exhibited a keen interest in drawing and painting, showing a natural talent that would later define his career. He pursued formal education at the Tokyo School of Fine Arts, where he was influenced by both traditional Japanese art forms and Western techniques that were becoming increasingly popular during the early 20th century. After graduating in 1918, Taki began his career in a rapidly modernizing Japan, which was wasting a fusion of Eastern and Western artistic style. Initially, he worked in a range of artistic fields, including book illustration and magazine art. His early works often reflected the traditional Japanese aesthetic characterized by delicate lines and subtle colors plates. However, as he progressed in his career, Taki's style evolved to incorporate elements of Western modernism, which was marked by bold colors and abstract forms. Taki's breakthrough came in the 1928 when he started contributing to Burgoyne field in children's books illustration. His ability to blend whimsical imagery with sophisticated artistic techniques quickly garnered attention. One of his most famous works from his period is Kodmo no Kuni, Children's Land, a magazine that featured a rich array of his illustration. His contribution to this publication were instrumental in shaping the visual culture of children's illustrator in Japan. In addition to his work in children's literature, Taiki also gained recognition for his woodblock prints. His prints often depicted everyday scenes and landscapes infused with a scene of serenity and harmony. This works highlighted his mastery of the medium and his ability to convey deep emotional resonance through simple yet evocative imagery. Taki's artistic style is often described as a blend of traditional Japanese art, Art Nouveau, and early 20th century modernism. His work is characterized by fluid line, vibrant color, and an imaginative approach to composition. Influenced by European artists such as Henri Matisse and Mars Challenge. Takis encrypted elements of fantasy and dreamlike sensations into his art, creating a unique fashion that set him apart from his contemporaries. His illustrations for children's books are particularly notable for their playful yet sophisticated quality. He had a unique ability to capture the innocence and wonder of childhood, while also appealing to the aesthetic sensibilities of adults. This doll offered contribution to his widespread popularity and enduring legacy in the field of illustration. As his reputation grew, Taki continued to explore new artistic avenue. In the 1930s, he began experimenting with new materials and techniques, including oil painting and printmaking. Despite the challenges posed by the political climates in Japan during World War II, Taki remained dedicated to his craft, producing work that reflected both the turmoil of the time and personal vision and pieces and beauty. In the post war period, Taki's work gained international recognition. His contribution to the world of art were acknowledged through numerous exhibitions in Japan and abroad. He also played a significant role in mentoring young artists, passing on his knowledge and passion for art to the next generation. Takus passed away on 9th October 1982, leaving behind a rich legacy of artistic innovation and cultural contribution. His work continues to be celebrated for his unique blend of traditional and modern elements and for his profound impact on the field of children's literature and illustration. Takeu's life and career are a testament to the power of artistic innovation and cultural synthesis. His ability to marriage traditional Japanese aesthetic with Western modernist influence resonate in a body of work that is both timeless and transformative through his literature. Woodblock prints and paintings. Taki not only enriched Japanese art but also left an indelible mark on the global art scenes. His legacy endures as a source of inspiration for artists and art lovers around the world, reflecting the enduring appeal of his visionary creativity. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you for watching this video.